Hey, how's it going, everyone? How's it going, everyone? How you guys doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. Hey, Crystal Reno, Mr. Reno. How's it going? I lost everything. That's not good. Okay, Crystal lost everything. That's not good, man. That's not good, sir. Yeah, I took only one trade this morning, New York Open. It went my way, and I lock it off. I lock off. Yeah. Yep, only one trade today. Took one trade today, this morning. How's it going? Beside you lost everything. How's it going, friend? Okay, looking at we're looking at what 180, 165. That is what 15 points price range. Okay, so I'm waiting. Yep, this morning I trade again 3 accounts, copying 3 accounts. Made some money this morning, New York Open. I took only one trade and that's it. And I locked off. And did you guys see in the Discord this morning? Andy came and traded with me this morning. He made good money and he traded on the train while riding the train and printing money. I don't know how he does it, but yep, trading on the train, printing money. Yep, so I'm going to trade with 3 different accounts. But yeah. Yep, super tight right now, so I'm waiting. 180. And down here we're looking at 65, 165. Hey, Martin, how's it going? Welcome back, my friend. Yeah, this morning I trade with Martin, trade with Andy. It was fun. It was fun. I took one trade 10 minutes in, and then I'm done. And a lot of good setup though. I don't know. You see that, Martin? A lot of good setup after that trade. Very good setup, but I didn't take it. I go, I don't know. But yeah, a lot of good setup after that. So I'm looking forward to trade more with New York Open. Yeah, right now it's just super tight. 180, 165. There's no way we taking that trade. Man, I have to fix my background isolations. It's kind of weird. I thought I fixed it. Reselecting classes. Yeah, but you know, I wasn't aggressive. That's for sure. I'm sure that if Andy didn't have to go to work this morning, I think he'll take a few more trades. But there's a lot of good setup, Martin. After that trade, a lot of good setup. Remember, I was okay. We're risking 3 points to make like 10, 15, 20 points, and it went that way. Yeah, a lot of good setup this morning. Right after I go, oh, no more. Yeah, that's for sure, huh? It's okay. Okay. Yeah, super tight right now, so I'm just waiting. I just want to be patient. No rush. at all. How's it going, everyone? Oh wow, didn't look. Whoa, okay. Broke that oh, I didn't look. Oh yeah. Okay, here we go. Are we touching that VWAP? Oh, Andy's still working, but he's the boss though. He's a big boss of the company. He's working. Okay, my music, background music at 40. Should be okay now, I guess. Wow, 68. That 15 points. Would be nice if I can catch that. Okay, are we breaking that too? That's a money machine. Yeah. Yeah, he found his strategy and he hasn't changed. Yeah, like I said, trading, once we found it, do not change, stick with it, and printing money. When you found your strategy, stick with it and keep printing that money. I'm looking at what, 65 here? You have 65 hold here. $50. Waiting, super tight, so I'm waiting for sure. No rush. Where are we going? We're now looking at 65 and 45, about 20 points. This price range, 20 points. We break in at 65. Here we go. Resistance at 65. Nope, no go. No go. Are we breaking that? The VWAP's down here. I don't want to short it right now. So basically I'm waiting 65 and 47.50. We're looking at 15, 17 points. So super tight. There's no clear setup at all. And the VWAP's down here. If I risk it, maybe risk a couple points. No more than that. Here the VWAP, touch that VWAP, push it back up. Gotta wait for the next candle. 58. And if we break in that VWAP, you can test in that 135. How are we breaking that VWAP? $19. Come on, come back up. Retesting that 60. So I have a little bit more confidence of not the VWAP and the supported 150. Yep, VWAP's whole. Okay, 55. $257. We're breaking that. Went to the bottom of the price range at 48, 47, 48. Push it back up again. This looks super tight. There's no reason for me to take a trade right now. That's what I said up here. Man, I don't even believe it. Don't believe it. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, right now up and down 148, 165. So 156. Be prepared to get out though. I'm out. I did not want to give it to me, so I'm out. $11. It's kind of tough to short at the bottom of the price range, but I thought I took that risk, but I didn't see it, so I have got to get out. Making $11 instead of losing money, not the point. You see what I'm saying? It's didn't want to go, so I have got to get out. Would be nice if she can continue on that, breaking that 48, come to like 34, 35, but nope. That's sort of my thought process. Are we going to break it this time? Look at these candles here. This is the tail up here. That's the reason why I took that short. But I have to get out, knowing that I have to get back in. You see what I'm saying? Look at this here. It's very, very deceptive, something like that. Yeah, but other than that, we are super tight. 45, 48. Up here we got what, 165. Yeah, my stop loss was the height of this candle, 56. That is my hard stop, but my mental stop loss is okay. I better get out if it doesn't look right. It did not look right, so I got out. But yeah, my stop was I immediately placed my my hard stop at 157. The height of this candle is here. This one here. So. That's fine. I'm really happy with that trade, even though it did not go as I intended. But $12 times 3 is not bad. It came to 58. Push it back down again. We'll see. Maybe the short's still valid. And 35 still a support. If we break this, I think it might go to 35, so that is what, 35, 47, about 12 points. But yeah, right now it's super tight. Man, morning hours, not like this, man. It moves, man. 10, 15 points. Right away, not like this, but I will get used to trading New York Open. I think I'll be good, making more money. Why? I do not want come up here and take me out at my hard stop. Hard stop is to protect my account. And you know how sometimes go 20 points, like 50 points against you, like just like that. At least I have a hard stop at, no more than 10 points. Yeah, but my soft stop, should I say soft stop? Mental stop is like if it doesn't for me with my trading plan, maybe it's different than everybody else. But with my trading plan, if I get in, I expect it to move almost right away. If it doesn't look like it's going to move, that is my mental stop. I could get out. If I'm making $5, $10, fine, But that is my mental stop. But my hard stop is to protect me. Like at least I know that maximum risk that I'm risking like 9 point, 10 point, or 6 points, whatever it is. In that case, at the top of this wick right here at 56, 57. So I'm risking 5 points. My hard stop, 5 points with that trade. Hard stop. But I wouldn't allow it to go against me for 5 points. There's no point to me with my trading plan. There's no point for me to sit there and wait for it to come up there and take me out. And that's when my revenge trading and all that kick in. That's when I'm getting into trouble. Are we breaking this? Okay. We're going to break it, huh? No, so sometimes my hard stop more than 5 points. Sometimes 10. Depends what kind of trade I'm looking at. But again, I do allow myself to get in and to get out mentally. Okay, the trend is down. We know that, right? Trend is down. Look like we have a resistance level at 55, 56. Are we breaking this now? Man, it's not surprising me if she come down there and testing that 30, 34, 35 support. Okay, focus, focus. Focus, man, focus, man. I missed that. Man, 34, here we go. Broke through that too. Sometimes, man, got a plan in place to take the trade. Sometimes, man, that 15, 20 points and I'm done. If I took that trade, I'm done. Sometimes, man, just take it. Yeah. You did? Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. Wow, you're not sleeping at all. That's awesome, Martin. Sometimes, man, just take it. Man, I'm too conservative sometimes. Got it to 35. That's awesome, man. Yep. I mean, sometimes too obvious, right? Wow, it may go lower, man. Damn it, 50. Wow, that's 20 points, man, from the 50. Mm-hmm. 54. Hey, man, that's 11 points. That's awesome, man. 11 points, that's a lot. That's good. I got in 43. 43 and 35. 8 points. Give it to me, baby. I'm out. So slow, man. I hate that. Don't like that at all. It's supposed to go right away. Me, don't like that. No regrets. Focus on the next trade. No regrets. Oh, here we go. Who said no regrets, man? I regret getting out too early. What do you mean, no regrets? Talking to myself now. No regrets. What do you mean, no regrets? You left so many points on the table. What are you talking about? 10 points, man. What do you mean, no regrets? Talking to myself now, you guys. Sometimes, man, trading, like, I'm talking to myself, and sometimes I'm not on YouTube. My wife walked by and said, huh, who are you talking to? Talking to myself. Crazy, man. No regrets. What you talking about? What the Jesus, man. Look at this here. How many points here? 28. That's 10 points, man. $200 times 3. That's $600. What are you talking about? No regrets. Too early. Get out too early. That's okay. I'm happy though. No regrets. Hey, Alex. How's it going, Alex? Oh, man. What the? Ay, ay. Not much at all. Okay, are we testing at 100? Are we breaking the 100 too? I think maybe we'll bounce back from the 100 before we go to 85. Are we bouncing back from 100? Here we go, 100. Man, look at them. That's 28 points, man. 28 points. Okay. Yeah. Like I said, man, no regrets. Sometimes I'm joking around, but yeah, no regrets, man. That's the way it is. That's the name of the game. It could go against you, you know, for 10 points or something like that, but nobody knows, right? Nobody knows. It's not like we have an unlimited power to trade, unlimited amount of money to trade. We have to be as right as many as possible. Man, it keeps breaking. Very critical if breaking that 100. I think 100 has to hold. Or not, who knows. Down here at 85. Yeah. Yeah, I can see. Breaking that too. 85 next stop. Whoa. Here we go. 87, 85. That very, very good support down here. We were breaking that, testing that 23,000, but yeah, with good support at 90. $100. Much for that 100. $100. 100. So a nice second for this candle to close. Came to 85, push it back up. I wish, man. Me chicken, me chicken, man. I know, man. It is what it is. Oh, we'll push it back up again. Yeah, it looked that way, huh? Emil? Looks that way. Our resistance level at 22. Like I said, I'm ahead of the game for today, so I'm not rushing it. That's for sure. I missed this short right here, and got out. But I missed that. But I missed that trade. As for long, this looked like a good long, but I have to know my. Crystal lost everything again. You know, sometimes I think Crystal come and messing around with me, man. He came say he lost everything. Come on, man. Tell us what you did, how you did it. To come and spam me or I lost everything. Tell us why and how, and I'm sure that behind the scenes he made a whole bunch of money. He's done for the day. He came to mess around with us. Oh, come on. I don't believe it. I thought I got that one. I think I got out with 1 point. I thought I moved my to break even, but maybe it took me out for 1 point. I don't know about easy money. I try. Oh no, 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 no. Be prepared to get out though. Give it. Risk some money to make some money. That's the point. Go! Go! Give it to me, baby. I'm not greedy. Go! One more push. One more push, please. One more push. Go! Push! Nope. $125. That is 6 point. Now she goes. It's okay. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm too protective, that's for sure. But that's the name of the game. This is what my plan, exactly my plan. But if by the end of the week, if I can see if I can make some changes, and I'll go in and redefine my plan. But this is exactly what my plans. So I will not change it. But sometimes it's not going as intended. But yeah. Some of you might go, well, why don't you wait? Just give it more room to breathe. You don't know that, right? But again, I will not allow it to go 10 points against me. That crazy. I mean, risking $200 times 3 is $600. But maybe I'll make some kind of adjustment when the time comes at the end of the week. See, at the end of the week, I will sit down and say, okay, should I give it more room? And then I will put that plan in place. See if I can. But yeah, oh wow. We'll go some more. Maybe we'll retest in that 185. Thank you, Martin. Thank you, Jack. Hey, Jack, how's it going, friend? Haven't seen you for forever. What's going on, Jack? How are you? How's your Vietnam trip? You told us that you want to go to Vietnam a couple months ago. How's it going, Jack? You are rich. You are rich too. You know, if God allow us to breathe and put a smile on our face every day, I am rich. For that, I am rich, man. Yep. If I can have good health, go camping, that's rich. Yep. I don't know, you guys. I love go camping, man. Like go to the beach, like put on my tent and just sit there and watch the oceans, listen to the wave. That is my richness. I feel so rich, man, when I go to the beach, man. Sitting back, relax, not worry about anything. That rich, man. And it doesn't cost that much, though. That's the thing. It doesn't cost me anything, basically. That's good, Jack. Oh yeah, I'm sorry to hear that, Jack. Take care of yourself, my friend. Yeah, you guys don't forget to click on that like so that YouTube can promote my video, so I can get to my 1,000 subscriber. Yeah, don't forget that like button, you guys. It's very important. but only when you like what I do. Appreciate what I do. Click on that like, please. Yeah, so YouTube can promote my video a little bit more, so I can get to 1,000 subscribers. Oh yeah, Jack. Yeah. Okay, right now we are trading the price range right now 20. Down here is 100. Let's zoom in 100. So we're looking at what 20 points price range right now. The top is at 120. Down here, assuming that we have a good support at 100. So we're looking at 20 points price range right now. See if we can break that trend line here. What time is it? 12:11. Wow, time fly. Hey, Flo, how's it going, Flo? What's up, man? What's up, young man? Millionaire yet? Make me million yet? See if we can break that 100. We are holding at 100. Yeah, Jack. Kind of nice that I able to trade with Andy hop on, and I got Martin on as well, and one or two other person, but they didn't say anything, so I don't know who they are. But we got a very small team in the morning that we trade together. Yeah, I think we have like 5 or something like that right now. Watch for that 100 to hold. Okay, Flo. It's on YouTube, Jack. Yeah, Discord is free for all members. Yeah, it's free. We got a support at 100. Let's see here. Super tight though, 120, 120. We're breaking the trend line already. We're breaking the trend line. Okay. Oh, 4. $100 hold. See if we can break that 100. 14 seconds. See if we're breaking that 100. 105. Risking $100. Are we breaking that 100? Are we? Are we? Or not? think I'm going to risk a couple points here. We'll see. Waiting. It has to break that 100. Broke that 100. Give it to me, baby. Go. I'm out. $65. Yeah. Okay. $1,000 today. Oh, yeah. Can't be greedy, that's for sure. Can't be greedy. I'm done. $1,000 for the day, basically. Almost. Super happy, for sure. See, I once it broke that, almost breaking that, I went short, knowing that I have to get out very fast if it's really not going in my directions. 2-3 points I'm risking, man, to make that. But it doesn't look like she's going to move anymore, so I thought I'd get out, man. Why not? Just lock in $65-$70 profit each account, then waiting for it to go against me. You know, money's money, right? I mean, that's my thought process right now. So, big day. I'm happy, Martin. It's about the money, but it's about my plan. I stuck with my plan. I stick with my plan, and it looks that it won't work for me. That's very important for me right now. You know, my trading plan, and I stuck with that trading plan, and it looks that it's going to work. So I'm stick with that. But like I said, at the end of the week, I will sit back and say, okay, what can I do more to improve that, or squeeze a little bit more points out of that trade or whatever, then I will make the adjustment. But I'm happy with the trading plan that I have in place, risk management and things like that. That's the point, right? I mean, of course, when we got our plan in place and it works, then money will come. That's for sure. But yeah, I'm super happy that I was patient. I am patient. Control my emotions and get out if necessary. No greedy. No looking back saying I should have done this, I should have done that. Focus on the next trade. No remorse. You know, and things like that. I'm happy with that. And it is very important. Our emotions do not allow our greed and that get into our way of trading. That's exactly what I've been doing. So I'm super happy. You know, a lot of times before, when I first start out, when I take a trade, I'm super nervous and things like that. But now, to be honest, I know exactly my risks and my get out, you know, mental stop loss and things like that. Not nervous at all. Exciting, yes, but not nervous. I used to be super nervous. Oh yeah, please go in my direction, something like that. Not anymore. But that's the way it's supposed to be, though. Know exactly how much you're risking in terms of my hard stop and my mental stop loss. Couple points. If it doesn't go, then I get out. Knowing all that, it really helped me a lot, man, in terms of my mental and things like that. Yeah, I hope in a very small way that I can relate to some of you. Perhaps make some more small changes. Yeah, to be better. Help me, Jeff. Okay, send Crystal $1 million. That's all he asked, man. Send me $1 million. Yeah, look like we hold 100. Very good support down here at 100. And then it came up 105 and pushed it back down again below that 100. Very, very good support at 100. We'll see if support and resist level. Hey, Bob. How's it going? Mr. Bob. Let's go. How are you, Bob? Making $1 million yet? Yeah, kind of weird. I don't know what it is. Crystal is number 1. Wow, broke that 100. Wow. See, that's why I was saying that we have to watch that 100. What time is it? 12:21. Broke that 100. Okay, we go. Are you look at the 15 minutes here. Look like I have a good support at 50, 51. No, this is will hold. 85's hold. Hmm. $100. 85. That is 15 points. 1, 5. 15 points. 15 points. Wow, we're breaking that too. Breaking that 85. Testing 65. Okay. What's going on here? The trend is still down though. Are we pushing to the testing that 100 again? So resistance level at 100. He's my best friend. That's good. That's good, Bob. Yeah, we can't expect, you know, green every day, but yeah. Came to 98, push it back down again. I don't know if I want to risk anymore, but we'll see. I only take from now until the close. I only take super A plus setup, but I want to end the day with a good profit that not much, but I'm super happy with the way it turned out. It went to 98, 99, 100. That way our resistance level. Seller step in and push it back down. We've been testing the low of the day again. I mean, the low right now at 85. It's 85 hole. It's 2 billion. All right. Sound like a plan to me, Bob. Sound like a plan. Sound like a plan to me, Bob. 2 billion's next. That's a spirit. I love that. That's a spirit. Never give up. We can do this. 1 billion today, 2 billion tomorrow. Maybe it's not tomorrow, but next week. That's the spirit. Love that, man. Don't forget your best friend. Yeah, we'll try. We'll try, man. Are we pushing back up? Are we pushing back up? Wow, this looks like a fish. Look like a fish. Look like a fish. It doesn't mean anything, you guys. I just draw things, but it doesn't mean anything. It's just for me to know, okay, what I'm looking at right now. Are we up? Are we down? What is our trend line right now? But it doesn't mean anything, okay? Don't judge me. It looks like a fish. Look like a fish. Where I'm at. We're breaking that trend line. And retesting that 100. Man, it really look like a fish, man. Look at this here. It's a fish. I came to the trend line, push it back down again. Came to 95. Very strong though, very good volume too. Let's see. Are we breaking out of that trend line? Yeah. Testing that 100. 6 point right now is 95. To 100 it's only 5 to 6 points. What time is it? 12:31. Well, look like we're breaking out. But I don't know, have to go through that 100 before we thinking about going long. But right now, we're in this price range right now. Okay, no more fish. Yeah, it looked like that. It looked like I'm going to break out. See if we go through the 100. Are we testing that 100 or 98? $98. $98. Couple times now went to 98. If I push through 100, we can test 110 with 98. Well, came back down again. 97. Yeah, we are in this price range right now. 185. 15 points price range. Okay. And I want to keep my accounts, man. I want to keep all my accounts. I want to keep all my accounts. I don't want to blow them all up, man. I'm working so hard for these accounts, for these funded accounts. Me do not want to blow them up. Not for sure, man. If I blow up, that must be a good reason for me to blow them up. Meaning that I stuck with my plan and I blew up, then I'm okay with that. But I don't know about recklessly gambling the thing to hurry to get my payout, something like that. That's not a valid reason for me. But I want to be able to stick with my plan. And if I mess up in the process, then I can live with that. Wow, it came and broke that 85. Are we breaking up 85? Look like it. Testing that 77 again. Man, sometimes just go. Broke this trend line here. 85, but not much though anyway. Push it back up. Yeah, super tight price range. I'm looking at what 15-20 points. Chop, 15-20 points. Look at this green candles here, man. Andy's pretty good at this, catching this candle 5 points before it go lower. Man, the guy really good. This morning he caught a few something like this here. He'd ride this green candle to 5 points and then it came back. He's good at that. Yeah, Nate, sorry to hear that, my friend. See, with these accounts here, I had it set up for $325 daily stop out. If I mess it up, I can't revenge trade. I can't revenge trade, lock me out for $325. I know that I wrote on my plan in my Discord is 350, but if I put in 350, sometimes, man, it went all the way down up to went all the way to 400. I don't want that, so I set it for $325. So I can't revenge trade with these accounts. So for that, I have to be super disciplined and taking selective trade, not for taking trade for the heck of taking trade. So yeah, I got to set up for $225. That locked me out all of my accounts. But you can see in my game plan in Discord, I laid it all out. If I mess up one set of 3, then I'm done. I just walk away. No revenge trading in that. I can come back tomorrow and then try it again the next day. But yeah, we have got to be super disciplined, man. Stick with our game plan, man. No messing around. This is a business. It's a very, very, very difficult business. In case you don't know that. No, I'm not you, but I'm just saying in general, you know, it's very, very difficult business. We doing with emotions, all of that, everything in between, and we must have super disciplined, man, to survive in this business. Is tough, but I know for sure that we can do this. Yeah. Yeah, believe it or not, I do not make money from YouTube for now. not making any money. I'm just here to what is it, to connect with you guys. But no, I'm not making money. And I'm really appreciate some of you supporting my channel by using that discount code with Apex. It in a way has helped me a little bit, you know, but I appreciate that. Some of you using the code, I appreciate that. But other than that, I'm here to connect with you guys. Hopefully that we can help each other to grow. Believe it or not, I'm here to have you guys hold me accountable and things like that for my actions and things like that. I'm doing the same with you too. If you can go to our Discord and say, okay, this is my game plan, and I will stick with my plan, so that everybody in our Discord to hold you accountable and all that. Yeah. It's you know, when I first start out, man, I mess up big time in terms of like said, okay, I buy the 3 or 5 of the challenge account. I blew them all up, and I came back and bought more and blew them up again. So it's time for us to put our foot down, say, hey man, that's not a way to trade. That's gambling. Why are you doing that? See, that's why a lot of time I keep talking to myself, you know. It's not like trying to 100. Watching 100. But yeah, we have to put our foot down, say, man, this is enough. We're not messing around. Yeah, but yeah, I mean, come to our Discord. This is free. I'm not advertising anything like that. But come and write it down, saying, "Hey, man, this is my game plan. If I break this in a day, I will stop." And believe me, all of us will hold you responsible for that. So we don't messing around. We don't mess it up. Oh, I appreciate you, Martin. Yeah, support me. Couple bucks here and there. Thank you so much, Martin. I appreciate you. It's help. It's help. Like I said, like you can see that my channel is so small. It's not. But I hope one day that we can grow and our communities supporting each other and things like that. We all be very successful. You know, we have our game plan in place. You know, stick with our game plan, risk management, and things like that. One day, man, if we can stick with that game plan, man, one day we'll be very successful. That's for sure. It's hard, but achievable. Yeah, it's possible. Man, it pushed. When it broke out of that 100, went to that 10 point. That's quite a bit. Okay, I'm watching. Man, sometimes I talk and I get carried away. I didn't watch. Are we testing that 120? $115. $115. It's hard to go short right now. The trend is really strong right now. But as for long, I don't know if I want to chase it. I don't know if I want to chase it. Kind of 50-50 right now. 120 up here. 100. We're looking at 20 points. And right now we're at 110. We're in the middle of this price range. We broke out of this price range already, and we are working on the next price range up here. 100 and 120. 20 points price range. We already broke out, so we're looking for a support at 100. A resistance level up here, 120. We are at 110. So middle of this price range. My best bet is to wait. Up and down, 10 points. 105 came down to 104, 105. Up here is 112, 113. Waiting, kind of slow right now. What time is it? 40. Oh wow, another 5 minutes is like MOC in 5 minutes. Wow, time flying, you guys. Time fly. What the? Came up here a few times now. 112 a few times now. Is that Resistance level here, 112. Getting tight and tight now. This price range is getting tighter now. It's not 120 anymore. 110, 112. Now we're looking at 100. Super tight right now.
In devotion's mighty tide, grace and mercy by my side. Each syllable, a sacred plea. In the sun's early glow, I'm free. With every
You scary man, Crystal. You scary man.
Embracing love, his name adheres.
100.
Echoes rise, the morning star. In each note, the truths that scar. Mantras hum a timeless sound, where his presence is profound. The heart unfolds, the soul adheres. With every chant, his grace appears.
Okay, waiting. There's no point. No point to take a trade right now. To be honest, super tight price range right now. Remember we was looking up here, but now super tight price range. 112, 100, 10, 12 points. And our MOC in 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. So I'll wait. Like I said, the rest of the day, if I don't see anything, then I'll not want to trade for sure. We're breaking that 100. But if we break in that 100 and then the MOC in a minute, I don't know if I risk it because we all know that MOC is almost like a playing blackjack, right? Or roulette. Yeah. I'm waiting.
In every moment, to him we call. Almighty One, with mace in hand, bringer of strength to this very land. Tales of valor, whispered breeze, through the leaves of the sacred trees. In his presence, spirits soar. Every chant
105.
it opens door.
Yeah, I know. I told him all the time, Bob. You never listen to me, man. No, don't do that, man.
Hanuman's grace in you. Footsteps echo a prayer.
Are we pushing to 112?
Lifting souls into a divine trance.
Man, hopefully by next week I'm going to request some payout. I think I have a few accounts that I'm ready to get a request some payout, but try a little bit longer, make some more money, request a payout. It's been a while. It's been a while request payout, that's for sure. It's been a while. It's time for me to request some payout, Some, 2, 3, 4. Wow, what is that? I know, but you know that I have my my daily stop out, like log out at $325. So the worst come to worst, get back $325. But I have got to stick with my plan. That's the key. Never let it, never allow it to go crazy with a trade. That's for sure. Emotion, control my emotions 100%. Know when to stop. Like this morning, right? I made almost $200 per account, and I decided, well, I'm done. Even though seeing a lot of good setup, I did not take it. I know, but in the back of my mind, go, okay, you better stick with that game plan until I request a couple more payout. Then I'll do a little bit more of risking, like, risk a little bit more. But now my goal is to get some payout. Until then, I'll stick with my plan very tight. But yeah. But I'm glad though. I'm super happy that I was able to control my emotions. That's for sure. I was able to control my emotions for the last 4 or 5 days. See, I took what? How many trades today? I mean, this only 2. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 trades. That's it. This one, $10. And these are, yeah. Yeah, try to control your emotions, you guys. Very important. If we can control our emotions and our risk management in place, we'll be okay. We'll be okay. Risk management in place, know exactly, what you get into, then we'll be okay. That's why, like I said before, that I don't get nervous anymore, because I know exactly how much I'm risking, right? And I allow myself to go before it's locked me out, $325 to lock me out. So basically, I allow myself to trade like 3 times, 3 losing trade for $100 or each trade or something like that to lock me out. So know exactly what I'm getting to. It feels so much better, not to be nervous and things like that. What's come to us is what, $1,050, and that is like three losing trade or something like that. So yeah, must know exactly what you're getting into and your daily lockout is, and I'll be okay. I'll be okay. Mute music, very mute. No music. I thought I had music. What's going on? I don't know, man. It's like not working. Okay, let me raise the volume. Are we okay now? Okay, Crystal. Thank you for stopping by, man. But try to stay away from that cliff, man. Stay away from that cliff. Okay? Promise me, man. Stay away from that cliff. Not a good idea to go there. Well, it went to 116. Yep, take it easy, friend. Take it easy, friend. Oh, push it back to 100 again. I don't miss anymore. I know. Thank you for reminding me. Sometimes she's not pushing. Go, okay, should I look at it? But yeah, I'm good at that now. To be honest, I'm good at that now. To to stop when I supposed to. No, honestly, I'm good at that now. I used to go, okay, I want more, I want more, but no, honestly, I'm good at that now. Take that, yeah. Look at that, you guys. Wow, 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 wow. Are we testing that 65? Are we come down to 65? Wow. $82. We're breaking, that for sure. 90 up here. Wow, 11 points. Just like that, 11 points. Whoop, testing that 65. Push it back up. Yep, 65, here we go. 65, baby. $65, baby. I'm not in a trade, but I'm just saying it's like 65. Are we testing that 65? 65, baby. Look at that. Or not. Came down to 70. Wow, look at these candles here. Came all the way down to 69.75. Anyway, thank you so much, you guys. Thank you for stopping by and hang out with me. Okay, and for members, we'll see you tomorrow. New York Open. Thank you so much. We'll see you. Man, we'll see you tomorrow, man. Bright and early, my friend. 6:30 Pacific time. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Thank you, Bob. Thank you for stopping by, my friend. I appreciate you. Man, that guy at least got Bob came out. Wow, broke that 65. What the? Oh, yeah. No revenge trading. Thank you, Jack. I appreciate you guys. You guys so kind. I appreciate you. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much.